dirimu. Waktu aku memandang wajahmu, kamu sungguh memang cantik.
Hi everyone, I'm Sandy and I want to make tutorial how to make hand sanitizer from natural ingredients. And the ingredients are bitter leaf, lime, and squeezer. Step are let's cut the bitter leaf into a small piece. Second, pour the boiling water into the bowl. Third, stir well until the water turns yellow. Fourth, strain the water that has been stirred into a bowl. Squeeze the lime juice into the bowl. Six, put the water into the spray bottle. Okay. And then hand sanitizer ready to use.